Today we will be learning how to use CSS in our HTML file. Now, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. It is used to format text and other information in our HTML file. Now, as you've noticed in my Notepad++, I've already created two files. One HTML file, and I changed its name to exercise_09.html. Okay, which is this one, and the other one is a CSS file called exercise_09.css. Okay, this is my CSS file. The file name I've used for both files are the same, since or so that it will be easy for me to keep track which file goes where. Okay. So besides, this is just for exercise purposes. You can use other file name or the file name of your choice later. Okay, so let's now begin coding. Let's first try to do it on our HTML file. Okay. Let's try to put for the title Introduction to CSS. We have our body. And we have our HTML. Okay, so let's now try to see the output on our browser. Let me try to open my Firefox. Okay, so let me reload. Okay, we have your introduction to CSS on my title bar. Okay, let's go back to our let's try to go back to our Notepad++ to add some more code. Now this time, let's try to create a link to our CSS file. So link rel style sheet type text CSS href .css closing tag. Okay, so I've already created a link from this particular HTML file to my CSS file. Okay, so let's try to create this time our format. Okay, background color. One, two, three. Font family. Get 12 pixel, then h1 okay, going back to our .html file, h1, try to put hello world h1. Okay, now let's go back to our Firefox. Okay, let's try to reload. Okay, so we already have here hello world, and as you've noticed, the background color changed from white to gray. That's how you would normally use your .css file.